Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will tell you how to add the Share Your App feature to your app. The Share Your App page allows your users to share the app via different social media platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google+, etc. Let's see how it is done. Go to our no-code app building platform. If you have already created an app, log into your account and go to Manage and Edit to add the Share Your App page to your app. If you haven't created an app, click on Get Started to build your app. Here we will show you how you can add the Share Your App page to your new app. First, enter your business name here and click on Next. Then enter the purpose of your app and click on Next. Based on the app purpose you mentioned, the system will add certain pages to your app. Now click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. Once you have selected the desired pricing plan and have installed the app, all of the features will be unlocked. Click on Start Editing to add the Share Your App page to your app. If you see that the Share Your App page is already added to your app, click on it. If not, click on View All, search for Share Your App, and click on the page to add it to your app. The existing app users can add this page in exactly the same way. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it to what you would like. From here, you can change the page icon. You can select a solid icon, an outline icon, an image from our library, or add your own custom icon image. You can even upload 2 different images for mobile app and website. The Share App feature will work in your app once your app goes live on the respective app stores. That is all for now. Thank you for watching.